Hey guys, it's Anushtha. Welcome back to my vlog.
And it goes a little something like
Today in this vlog, we are going to IKEA. So I've been to IKEA before, but तब मैंने vlog नहीं किया था. So आज मैं फिर जा रही हूँ. So I thought, why not let's vlog it and show you guys around. If I buy something, I'll do a haul also. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun day, hopefully. I'm wearing these cargo pants which are from H&M. This is all fit. I'm just gonna add my shoes and a bag. I wanted to show you guys what I'm currently reading, which is a very interesting book. This is the book. It's called Atomic Habits, and this one is an international bestseller. It's called Tiny Changes, Remarkable Results. Very nice book. So I just started reading. My bus is 16th page per audio, and it's a really nice book, guys. Also, for yesterday, I got iPad Pro with accessories. So I wanted to do a little unboxing, but I don't do such kind of videos. And then I couldn't wait myself, and I bought it in the night and I couldn't wait for another day. So I literally set it up. So this is the iPad Pro and it's 11 inch. मैंने साथ में लिया है. I have taken pen with it. It's in the color space gray, which I loved. I've taken a keyboard. This is how it looks, and this is the back side. This is the iPad. It's very, very sleek, and I love this space gray color. बहुत सही लगता है. Now we have stopped in between to have some vada pav. बहुत भूख लगी है. Waiting for vada pav. अभी बस 16 minutes दूर है IKEA. Excited. Reached IKEA and let's see. We are looking for chairs. मतलब office chair, desk chair. एक तो ये देख रहे हैं and this green one. Take this chair. Now I'm going to have something because we are really hungry. So yeah, let's go. This is my childhood room. I mean, could have been. Taken one dessert, makhni rice. Thinking to take this for my cupboard, कुछ वैसे कपड़े रखने के लिए. Let's see. I love this section, how they have separators. The kitchen stuff is here. They're so pretty. I like this one. This is so pretty. I have candles, and so I've taken these green scented candles, and these ones, and these. These all are fake plants. ये कोई भी असली नहीं है. But they look so pretty if you keep them at home. went to get chairs. Going for the billing, everything is done. Let's go, guys. And we are back home, guys. It's around 10:30. And we're finally back, and we did shop a lot, which I'm very excited to show you guys. So I'm gonna do the haul video. I'm gonna shoot the haul video tomorrow. It was a fun day. हम basically वहाँ गए थे to take chairs for our house. पहले ही online chairs देख ली थी, quality and all सब check किया, and now they will deliver the stuff in 2 days. So chairs हमें deliver कर देंगे, और जो सामान था हम लेके आए अपने साथ. To be very honest, food is not great. जब मैं पिछली बार भी गई थी when I didn't vlog, the food was not great, and it's the same. Person who likes to have salty, nice, spicy food, you're gonna hate it. It's very bland, which I don't like at all. Just gonna change, do some snacking. That's it for the vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you liked it, you know what to do. Go! Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Don't skip, don't go anywhere, because right next is gonna be a haul video of whatever I purchased from IKEA. I'm just gonna show you guys. So let's start with the IKEA haul, guys. Here we have candles, which I absolutely love. Scented candles, amazing smell करती है. They smell so freaking good. This is the candle. It looks so pretty. Then we have this, which I have no idea इसमें क्या है. Let me see. Small jar हमने इसे लिया है to put flowers in it, because some flowers also to put into it, and which are also scented. We have as a vase, which is beautiful. And this one is for our dining table. The vase, it's so pretty. Also got flowers for this, not obviously the fake flowers. We got some flowers, as I told you, for the vase that I showed you. उसके लिए हमने ये फेक फ्लावर्स लिया है. Like we took the whole bunch. अगर हम separately बहुत सारे flowers लेते तो वो expensive पड़ जाता. So it's better you take a bunch वाला option. Okay, then it's some home stuff. मम्मी got some torrents घर के बाहर टांगने के लिए और कुछ मंदिर में लगाने के लिए. So ऐसा हम लोगों ने एक jar लिया है. So that's it. For the torrents, we got flowers. So we can put this one into this jar, and they smell amazing. Yeah, they smell really good, guys. Got some Diwali stuff also. ये दिवाली के लिए काम आएगा. And these are like 2 pack candles. And then we got some more Diwali stuff. These diyas. So you can see these are pink diyas. ये pink color की diyas है. These are the same color diyas. So we can put these candles into it. And we got 2 more same. They look very pretty. Got some tissue papers. बहुत काम आते हैं for the kitchen. So yeah, again some kitchen stuff right here. Got my slippers. I got the slippers घर के लिए. It's nice. It's a grey color slippers, and they are comfy. So I guess numbers नहीं लिखे. They're written small or medium. So I guess they'll fit me. Got hangers. I love these white color hangers. They look so classic. So nice. And last time also when I went to IKEA, मैं ये same hangers लेके आई थी जो मुझे कम पड़ रहे हैं, तो इस बार मैं और लेकर आई हूँ ये white color hangers. We got some tablecloth. I think I said right. This is how it looks. I think this looks very. I like the color. जो टाइम टेबल है हमारा वो भी white है color में, so this will look really nice. I guess yeah. Another candles. And this one is again pink red in color, reddish pink in color. They smell so good. And we got these 2 bottles, hand washed bottles. And yeah, I like it. I like the grey and this dark blue color. This looks quite nice. It's an apron. I might go to kitchen soon. How it looks. The apron. I think it's quite cool, you know. White color ka hai. All the utensils are made on it. I think it's nice, it's fun. Also, we got 3 cool chairs which are not here now. It will come tomorrow, day after. So I got from my room, and again for one of my sisters, and one for my brother. So yeah, And the best one is mine one. Mine is like an armchair. It's like a big armchair. So yeah, mine is really cool. So if you want to see those chairs, keep watching my vlogs, guys. That's it for the IKEA haul, guys. And if you guys enjoyed my IKEA vlog and IKEA haul, then go ahead, subscribe to my channel and keep watching, guys. And if you want to keep watching and do not want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my videos, and give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below, let me know you were here, you watched my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.